In this video, we'll talk about managing a party. So we've created two parties. This test party is a local party, or one that was created without using Facebook. And then the Brian's Test Group one is the one we created using Facebook. So I'll just use the test group one for now. So if we go in here, tapping on host will take us to the host's profile. And then under raffles, this party only has one raffle, which is the door prize. So if we tap on that, we can manage this raffle. So we could add more players, we could spin the wheel, and then we also have some options on the individual members. So the first thing I want to do is show you how to remove a member or a person from a raffle. So if we slide to the left, we can tap remove, and they're gone. It's that easy. You also notice that the spin wheel button actually disappeared. The reason for that is you can't spin the wheel unless you have two or more people. So now let's tap on add players. So add players is actually going to reach back out to that Facebook group that you used initially. So if people have joined that Facebook group since you first created the party, they will show up, so you can add them kind of as they come on board. So I will add myself back to the party again, and that's it. So we've added. So now we can also, if you if you slide to the right, you can tap the profile, which again will take you to the profile of that person, which happens to be me, or you can swipe to the right again and select add note. So notes, this is just a memo field. So you could maybe say, they participated a lot in the games. So now that we've added that, we've got, we can easily go in and see that note. These notes are specific for the person in the raffle. So you're not going to see this if I'm a part of, say, multiple raffles or multiple parties. You're not going to see those same notes across all of those. This is specific to this person inside this raffle. I can also tap that little note icon and go ahead and delete that note if I want it to go away. Notes is very powerful, and there will be another video that will actually explain how to add fields to those notes to really enhance the usability of that feature. So I've shown you how to add players, remove them, add notes. So now if we go into the local party, we have the door prize, which has one winner, and then we have the grand prize. So let's go ahead and add some players. And what you'll notice is that the players, there was no loading. It wasn't reaching out to Facebook. These are players that are locally saved. These two people were created using Facebook, but they are saved locally, so that's why they show up here. So the reason I'm calling that out is that if we have added some people locally, like say I had a Zachary was added, I could add him to this raffle, but I can't add him to that Facebook raffle unless he has joined that Facebook group. So just wanted to kind of call that out in case you realize you're not seeing someone you're expecting to see. So I'm going to go ahead and add both players. So you'll see we have these big plus and minus buttons. This is how you're going to add tickets or weight the person's participation in the raffle. So if I had, if Laura, say I wanted to give a ticket for every $1 that was spent. So if she spent $40, then I could go ahead and give her 40 tickets. And say I only spent, or let's say I spent $25 in the party. Now we're weighted. And I can easily manage that. Again, your swipe actions, swiping left and swiping right, are the same. The only difference here is the addition of the actual points. You can also tap in that field and edit it without hitting the plus or minus. So yeah, so that's it. That's how you manage your party. there will be a spinning the wheel video coming up. Thanks.